Sorry guys, that video was mistakenly cut off. Now let's go on to the main concepts of gravitational potential. One is for point mass and one more is for n number of masses. Now let's see. For point mass, let's take this is the object and this is the point P. Okay. From point P to object distance is r, and if the object mass is m. M is the mass of object and I is distance from point to object. Okay. So by this, gravitational potential at this point will be V is equal to minus Gm by R. Okay. Now let's go on for n masses. And at n masses from point O, like object to point P, like number of masses, like number of points are there in which the gravitational potential total will be equals to V1 plus V2 plus V3 plus so on. Like gravitational potential at this point, gravitational potential at this point, and again like this one is gravitational potential at all points up to gravitational potential at n points. Okay. So V total is equals to minus G m1 by r1 minus G m2 by r2 minus so on minus G mn by rn. Okay. From this we can take minus G common. We will get m1 by r1 minus and m1 by r1 plus m2 by r2 plus so on mn plus rn. So we can write it like this. Okay. Understood? Having any doubts, then just see this video again. I cannot explain this again. Okay. Hello guys, now let's go on to the next topic, which is for circular ring. For circular ring, we need to find the gravitational potential. Like this, take this as a diagram. This point O to the end of the ring, the length take as capital R, and from point O to the point P, take as small r. Okay. So now here gravitational potential is equal to minus Gm by root of r square plus small r square. Like capital R square plus small r square. Okay. Now let's go on. At center of the ring. A center of the ring, as you know, small r will be equal to 0. So V of center is equal to minus Gm by capital R. Okay. Now this is the next one. Now let's go on to hollow sphere. In hollow sphere, like take this as the diagram, original diagram. Okay. In this, we like gravitational potential inside is equals to gravitational potential on surface is equals to gravitational potential in center. Okay. In hollow sphere, it's always take it like this, which equals to minus Gm by capital R. Capital R is only there. There's no small r here. And if they give a point outside of this ring, then we need V outside is equals to minus Gm by small r. If small r is greater than r. Now we can write as V outside is equals to minus Gm by, like if small r is equals to infinity, then we can write as V outside is equals to 0. Okay. Because anything by infinity is 0. Now let's continue with the last topic of the day, which is solid sphere. Now in solid sphere, the gravitational potential inside is equal to minus Gm by 2r cube into 3r square minus x square. Okay. The next gravitational potential at surface is equal to minus Gm by r. Okay. Like capital R is like the radius of the circle and small x is the distance from the center to the point P, and gravitational potential outside is equal to minus Gm by x at if x is greater than r. If x is less than r, then it cannot be there. And then gravitational potential at center is equal to minus 3 by 2 Gm by capital R at x is equal to 0. Okay. Now this is the end of the day. Thank you guys for looking at my video. Just if you like the video, please like and subscribe.